I've been doing lots of shopping at IKEA recently for my new apartment, and I've been shopping at IKEA for pretty much my whole life with my parents when I was very young and all the way up until now. So today I'm going to talk about some of my favorite furniture pieces from IKEA that do not disappoint. First, we have the Alex drawer and desk set. In case you don't know, a lot of IKEA furniture is kind of mix and match, so you can pick out different pieces that fit together really nicely to create different furnitures. So the Alex drawer is super popular. Just by itself, it is a really nice drawer if you need some extra storage for clothes, desk supplies, art supplies, whatever you might need, makeup. But you can also pair it with a tabletop and some legs to make it into a desk. And that's what I have done in the past. My old desk at my parents' house was literally the same as now, just a different color. And the cool thing about this desk combination is that you can do drawers on both sides. You can do no drawers at all. You can make the desk wider, deeper, you know, whatever color tabletop you want. And there are also tons of DIYs that you can do to customize the look of the drawers as well. I think that the drawers themselves are lovely. There's so much space. You get some taller ones to fit in some bigger items and some slimmer ones to fit in things like pens or maybe phone chargers and that sort of thing. The next thing that I've been obsessed with is the LISTERBY collection. I specifically have the side table, but they also have a coffee table and a console table, and I think that all of the furniture pieces in this collection just look so beautiful. This was definitely one of the more easy IKEA furniture pieces to assemble. And the fact that it's round just creates a more comforting and cozy environment in your apartment, especially if your apartment is small. Having round furniture is really nice for making it a little bit more seamless and flowy. I also think that the color of this furniture is so pretty. It's definitely a very trendy color. It's very trendy to have like wood colors right now, especially if you're into like the modern boho vibe. Next, we have the LAC floating shelf. These are so customizable. You can put multiple next to each other, one on top of another. They are maybe a little bit more difficult to install because you do need to use like wall anchors and all that stuff, but I think that they look so seamless. And for a floating wall shelf, these are definitely inexpensive. Also, there are different colors to pick from. The one that I picked here for my desk setup is the oak veneer. The white stained oak effect is very similar, but it's definitely like a paler, more ashy colored wood tone, by the way, if you were wondering, because I wasn't sure what the difference was. And these come in 3 different sizes. They have like really short ones. The one that I have is the medium length one, and then they have a super long one as well. Next, we have the TARNO outdoor set, and this was a very inexpensive little outdoor dining set. I think it looks so good. It's very small and fits on a small porch. Our porch is pretty small, I'd say, and it fits really nicely. I think it looks super cute with the wood and the black metal. And bonus points, we also put down this decking from IKEA, and it definitely transformed our porch so much. And this one required no assembly. So if you're worried about assembling things, then this is the one for you. And finally, we have the NORDKISA? I'm so sorry, but these nightstands, they are really chic. There's a lot of exposed storage in these ones, but what I did for my nightstand is I got these little baskets that fit so nicely into the little exposed shelves, and they add such fun texture and some variety, and it's just a nice way to organize a couple of loose things. This nightstand also has this little pull-out drawer, and the drawer has these cutouts for if you want to stick your phone charger through. They have them on both sides, the front and the back, so it's very useful if you want to use that drawer for, you know, maybe keeping your laptop or phone charging at night. And I think the wood tone and color and texture of this one is so lovely. All right, you guys, those are my favorite IKEA furniture pieces. I hope you found this useful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys want to see like a part 2 with maybe my favorite IKEA decorative pieces, then let me know in the comments, because there are definitely a lot of really nice decorations at IKEA at the moment. So be sure to click that subscribe button to stay tuned for videos like this in the future. Click that like button as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!